نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة عن زيد بن ثابت رضي الله تعالى عنهم يقول أمرني رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أن أتعلم السريانية. Honorable leaders and my beloved Muslim brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected listeners, I am happy to be here and share my opinions about the importance of modern education from the point of view of Islam and current affairs before you. We believe that Islam is the complete goal of life. If Islam guides us in everything of life, like what instructs us to get education. Respected listeners, first of all, we should accept Islam allows modernism or not. When we study the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we find out even that indicate the approving of Islam of adopting modernism. For example, in the moment of conduct, the dealing of the defense line was the latest study of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Narrated as a Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, may Allah be pleased with him, said Messenger of Allah instructing me to learn Sanskrit language. Similarly, Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, may Allah be pleased with him, paper the first naval fit in Muslim history and set aside for purpose not 27 Hijri. This was the first naval expedition in Islamic history. Honorable audience, it is confirmed that Islam has never forbidden adopting modernism. No, I would like to leave that the importance of modern education from the point of view of current affairs. The interference of Western countries in Islamic work can disturb with the application in Islam of modern education. In the end, I would like to leave that Prophet Muhammad